Hi everyone and welcome. Today I have JBL Tune Flex headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily manage transparency mode and ANC. At first we have to open our headphones app. Now we have to click on our headphones. Now we have to insert them into our ears. As you can see, ambient sound control. We can either disable it or enable it. Now we can choose between noise cancelling and ambient aware and talk through. If we choose noise cancelling, we can choose between 1 and 6 strength. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.